Ethereum cost really equivalent to $1,776.22 a coin, or so they for the most part thought. The present exchange cost range, $1,743.93–$1,807.87. The earlier day close, $1,785.00, or so they fundamentally thought. The change explicitly was 8.78, 0.49% in an unpretentious way. Converse rate, USD to ETH, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost $1,807. Certainly most extreme 1933, really least 1681 in a kind of large manner. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost $1,777. Most extreme 1901, certainly least 1653 in an especially huge way. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost $19.00, especially greatest 2033, fundamentally least 1767 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum figure on Friday. Walk, 24, cost $19.24, by and large greatest 2059, really least 1789, which generally is very critical. In multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $1,869, by and large most extreme 2000, certainly least 1738 in a huge way. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $1,896, really greatest 2029, truly least 1763 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $2,003, genuinely greatest 2143, genuinely least 1863, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum figure on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $2,160, in every practical sense, greatest 2311, really least 2009 in a sort of huge manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $2,207, beautiful greatest 2361, especially least 2053, which really is very critical. In about 14 days Ethereum gauge on Monday. April, 3, cost $2,235, kind of most extreme 2391, in every practical sense, least 2079, which certainly is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $2,076, fundamentally greatest 2221, kind of least 1931, which basically shows that Ethereum figure on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $2,160. By and large most extreme 2311, essentially least 2009, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Ethereum figure on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $2,034, especially greatest 2176, truly least 1892. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday. April, 6, cost $2,036, in every way that really matters, greatest 2179, in every practical sense, least 1893, or so they in a real sense thought. Ethereum conjecture on Friday. April, 7, cost $2,033, in every way that really matters, greatest 2175, essentially least 1891, which for the most part is very huge. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Monday. April, 10, cost $2,030, for the most part greatest 2172, exceptionally least 1888, or so they basically thought. Ethereum figure on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $2,024, especially most extreme 2166, sort of least 1882 in an every way that really matters, huge way. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $1,940, beautiful most extreme 2076, in every way that really matters, least 1804, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday. April, 13, cost $1,921, lovely most extreme 2055, especially least 1787, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday. April, 14, cost $1,990, especially greatest 2129, least 1851, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. In about a month Ethereum conjecture on Monday. April, 17, cost $1,957, truly greatest 2094, extremely least 1820, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 18, cost $1,947, beautiful most extreme 2083, really least 1811 in a truly significant way. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday. April, 19, cost $2,004, genuinely greatest 2144, fundamentally least 1864, which sort of is genuinely critical. USD to ETH conversion standard equivalent to 0.5630 coins per $1,000 in a fundamentally huge manner. Today, S reach 0.5531-0.5734. The past day, S nearby 0.5602, or so they generally thought. USD to ETH cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Tuesday. Walk 21 cost 0.553 coins. Fundamentally most extreme 0.595. By and large least 0.517, showing how especially reverse rate, USD to ETH. USD to ETH forecast on Wednesday. Walk 22 cost 0.563 coins. Lovely most extreme 0.605. Essentially least 0.526. So exceptionally reverse rate, USD to ETH in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Thursday. Walk 23 cost 0.526 coins. Extremely greatest 0.566, lovely least 0.492, or so they generally thought. USD to ETH forecast on Friday. Walk 24 cost 0.520 coins. Truly greatest 0.559, least 0.486. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum estimate on Monday. Walk 27 cost 0.535 coins, especially most extreme 0.575, least 0.500, which essentially is genuinely critical. USD to ETH forecast on Tuesday. Walk 28 cost 0.527 coins, greatest 0.567, fundamentally least 0.493, exhibiting that Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday. April 12 cost $1940, certainly greatest 2076, especially least 1804, which for the most part is very huge. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Wednesday. Walk 29 cost 0.499 coins. Most certainly greatest 0.537, certainly least 0.467, showing that Ethereum cost forecast on Friday. Walk 31 cost $2207, exceptionally most extreme 2361, truly least 2053 in a genuinely significant way. USD to ETH expectation on Thursday. Walk 30 cost 0.463 coins, truly greatest 0.498, exceptionally least 0.433. Certainly further appearance how Ethereum conjecture on Friday. Walk 24 cost $1924, kind of most extreme 2059, really least 1789 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Friday. Walk 31 cost 0.453 coins. Most extreme 0.487, certainly least 0.424, which basically is very huge. In about 14 days USD to ETH expectation on Monday. April 3 cost 0.447 coins, truly most extreme 0.481, least 0.418, showing how change for now plus 0.0028, plus 0.50%, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Tuesday. April 4 cost 0.482 coins, for the most part greatest 0.518, extremely least 0.450, which basically is genuinely critical. USD to